have to bail him out. Wall Street's mighty corruption, what the deal is really about. Banks are now in foreclosure, gonna have to bail them out. We're gonna have to bail them out. Larry Lynch almost lynched us all, while Lehman Brothers flew the crew. They're the big guys living in the mansion with the greedy golden parachutes. Won't be alive for caviar, fancy red bottle of wine. And lucky it's not a set of handcuffs, and a shot at doing something